Hi all, welcome to another vlog of Recipe Fever. There are different varieties of bonda recipes like aloo bonda, onion bonda, egg bonda, vegetable bonda, etc. But there is one bonda recipe that stands out from all these varieties. And today I will be making that recipe, which is known as Mysore bonda. So let's start making the recipe. Take a large mixing bowl and add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon salt. To make the batter, we need to add curd instead of water. We need about 1.5 cups of curd for that. So, add the curd in half cup batches. Beat the batter to incorporate more air to it. You may feel that the batter is thick at the initial stage, but as you beat it, the curd combines with the flour and loosen it up. So, don't add more curd or water. Make sure that your batter is thick and not in a running consistency. Beat the batter for 10 minutes continuously or until it becomes smooth and stretchy. Once done, close it and keep it aside for fermentation for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can see that the batter has smoothened well. At this stage, add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 3 tablespoons grated coconut, few chopped coriander leaves, 1 green chilli that is chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, few chopped curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix everything well and beat it for 3 minutes so that the moisture content from the onion incorporate with the batter. Once done, switch on the stove and keep a kadai with enough oil for frying the bonda. Once the oil becomes hot, take a little amount of batter each time and drop it into the hot oil. Fry them on a low-medium flame throughout until it reaches a golden brown color. Once they are done, take it from the oil and keep it aside. Similarly, you can make the other batches of the bonda. This method of making the bonda is very easy. But in tea shops, they drop the bonda batter in a different way to achieve better shape. So, let me show it to you. This method is also easy when you practice. For that, take some generous amount of batter into your hands and to drop the batter into the oil, press your thumb finger against your index finger and squeeze the batter into the hot oil. You can see the difference between the first batch and the second batch. But you can try any method because either way, this Mysore bonda will taste great. Do try this and enjoy this delicious evening time snack with some mint chutney or coconut chutney. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications on new recipes. Hit the like button and share my videos to your loved ones. For more details and tips on the recipe, see the description box below. Visit my official website to get the full recipe. Also, share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thank you for spending your precious time watching my video. Have a nice day.